I'm out of jail.
Yeah, I got this shit on lock. Time is money, TikTok. I'm going digital like G-Shock. I'm stacking my dollars up like it's a block. I'm going hard as a rock. Can't save no bitches that cannot restock. I've been trying my luck, I give it a shot. Soon as you get you some money, they all gon' flop. Yeah, I got this shit on lock.
What's good? What's good? What's good? It's your boy Matty Ice, Ice Cold Crypto. Man, hope y'all feeling good today, man. I'm feeling great. Hey, man, to do a review slash tutorial video, cryptocurrency exchange I've been checking out, man. Again, I always say I'm not a trader, man. The best way I feel to accumulate cryptocurrencies is by dollar cost averaging and by constantly buying and accumulating during the dips. But along with having a small piece of your money to the side that you actually are trading with, especially trying to learn a new skill or learn about something. So been getting back into a little bit of trading. Been having some people ask me about where I'm doing some trading at and some different things. So I wanted to do a review video of this new cryptocurrency exchange that's regulated in the United States. But it gives you a way to leverage your Bitcoin and actually earn on Bitcoin and other digital assets, whether the price is going up or coming down. So wanted to do a quick review of it, man. Exchange is Bityard. So let's get to it. So the name of the exchange is Bityard, and what Bityard is, it's a cryptocurrency contracts exchange. So if you're not familiar with that, it's similar to, just any other exchange where you trading the price of Bitcoin or other assets against the value of the US dollar or, other forms of assets or commodities. But what they do here when they put it in contracts, it actually allows you to what's called leverage your money. And you can actually do it from anywhere from 20x to 100x on your money. You're able to play with more Bitcoin than what you actually can afford. But as it can go up on 20x leverage, it also comes down on 20x leverage. So you actually can what's called liquidate your account. But the reason why I'm doing this actually review on this exchange, because I actually like it. It allows you to see exactly how much you're putting in terms of US dollars, so you would know exactly how much you're going to profit and lose from the trade before you enter it. It allows you to close the trades and move your stop losses and different things, so you actually can say how much you are willing to risk on each trade, and you actually can see your profit and loss in US dollars instead of in the Satoshi value, which makes it a little difficult for people to understand exactly what they're doing. So take a look at that. You're gonna go through other few things. They actually have daily mining on here and rewards. They give you rewards simply for logging in every day. So the fees are up front and everything, but let's get into it. So a little bit about the site here. You can scroll through exchange if you're familiar with Binance and other exchanges. It's very similar to that. The interface it just puts everything in terms of US dollars. So they say they're regulated and licensed, and here are the areas that they hold license in. So we're legal here in the United States, which is good. They had their license issued last year, 14th of November 2019. You can go here to the government FinCEN site and look at their license number, see that they're up to date. Come in and check it all out. You always do your own due diligence on different things before you put your money in. And again, you never invest in any asset, whether it's cryptocurrencies or anything, more than what you're willing to lose. Of course, some things do have a little more trust in them, have been around for longer, so you may feel more comfortable holding your money in certain places or investing it in certain types of assets. Definitely cryptocurrencies is still a very new, so makes it a more risky asset, but usually when it comes more risk, there also becomes more reward as well. So yes, there may be some more risk in investing in cryptocurrencies because it's a newer newer lane, a newer asset, but with that risk, I believe it's going to be great reward. And then once it has more longevity and has a little more legitimacy in the traditional finance world, there's going to be probably less volatility. So there's going to be less gain. Since there's less risk, there's going to be less gain. You know what I mean? So there are assets like gold that have been around for 5,000 years. They definitely have a lot of stability, but sometimes the reward on them has been slower over the years just because of that, because the market cap is so big already. And I believe cryptocurrencies are going to grow to that pool of money as well. But once it does and there's less volatility, it is a lot safer. The gains that you're going to be able to make over it in a short amount of time, or over a year's time, 2 years time, is going to be a lot lower with that as well, if that makes sense. But and again, I'll get the rambling, got off subject, but let's get back to it. Doing the review of the site. So they have a mobile app just like most others, where you're able to deposit. Very easy. It's very quick to sign up. KYC, you just sign up with a email address, put some information in. We want to see what's going on with the KYC when it comes time to withdraw. So I want to be upfront with that. I need to check that out. But as far as signing up and getting going, it was very, very simple. Everything was straightforward. So to get started, of course, you click get started, sign up with an email. It was super simple. Sign up with the email. So we're going to log in here. Let's go ahead and log in. So now we're logged in. Check it out here. Once you're inside, pretty much the same information on the home screen, but now you're actually able to go in. So again, I was mentioning they have daily mining. So once you get the account for free, you log in and you can start actually earning rewards without doing anything. So you can see they give you a little bit of Bitcoin every day that you can use to trade. Not much. But come here, man, just click on these and collect your daily rewards. It's something fun, just a promotion that they're running for right now while they're new. So man, come here and claim these daily rewards. A little bit of Litecoin, a little bit of Tron, a little bit of their coin. Just kind of go through like a little game here, man, collecting these digital tokens. You can see begins to add up. That's only about 80 cents in US dollar tether. You can see that you can trade with as little bit as $5. So you can see I've collected 7 Tron, about 10 cents of US dollar tether, 11 of their native token, a little bit of Litecoin, a little bit of EOS, a little bit of Bitcoin Cash, about 0.3 XRP. So you can I can hold it in those amounts until it goes up, but right now that's about 82 US dollar tether. I can actually transfer it if I wanted to, and it'll be converted into US dollar tether for about 82 cents. So that's the one of the daily promotions that they have. You can come in and check that out. So I definitely like that. Just a cool little incentive right there. Also, they have promotions just for signing up. So just for coming in and setting up your username, you get $1 in US dollar tether. So I've claimed that for connecting a phone or email. You get $1 for doing a demo trade. I'll show the demo trade in just a second, but the demo trade you get $2 in tether. So come here, that's $4 just in bonuses just for signing up the account without having to do anything. Conduct a live trade, you get $2 more. I haven't claimed that yet. And then once you surpass $10,000 in trading volume, you get $8, $18 for 25,000. Nowhere near that. Again, don't really trade, but definitely like to come on here and mess around and doing the put a small amount in here just to play with. And also, again, messing with the demo account. They give you $100,000 in the demo account to play around with trading on leverage. So man, that's pretty fun. I'm gonna show that in a second. Show how you can come in and practice in that demo account and see if you ready to hop in on some live trades. So let's claim this $2. Success. So you can see claimed what I've claimed so far. So you can come here. So let's check out trading. Let's put a contract in, show how easy it is, show how everything is denominated in US dollars. So again, right down here, this will tell you whether you're in a live trade or if you're in a demo account. Let's go to the demo account. We're gonna switch it to demo. So you see they start you off with $100,000. I've did a few trades in the demo account. You can see it's under 100,000. So obviously I've lost a few on the demo. So it shows the history on here. It was messing around. Like you say, trades don't always go up and down. I've done a few trades on my live account. Again, don't really trade. I prefer to hold, but I have a small amount in here that I have played with and had some success with it. I'll share that with y'all in a second. But let's show how easy it is to put a trade in on a demo account. So again, you'll probably want to go look at one of your charts. On here, these charts aren't the best to use, but we'll just mess around on here so you can kind of see the way the trade is fluctuating. So let's say we're sitting at that 93 and you think it's going to go up. You can come over here and you can mess around on margin. So again, you can have 20x all the way up to 100x. But I like that it shows it in US dollars, your profit and loss and how much you're getting. So let's just say you're on 20x and let's just say you wanted to wager $100 and you're on 20x leverage. So what this means here, you're on 20x leverage for $100, and $100 at 20x leverage is going to get you 0.214 BTC. So so that's just on 20x. $100 would not get you that much Bitcoin, but you're able to trade with that much Bitcoin for $100 at 20x. If you move it to 40x, you see it double. You'll have a lot more Bitcoin that you're able to trade with for $100. 60x and all the way up to 100x. You actually for $100 you're trading with a little more than one Bitcoin. So you can make a whole Bitcoin off of, not a whole Bitcoin, but you can trade with up to a Bitcoin's worth of leverage with $100 here. But if you notice here, your stop loss is going to get tighter and tighter. So you're going to actually end up losing the trade. So you can see right now, out of that $100 that you're putting up, you can lose up to $90 on this trade. So that's what I like about this trade. You're not able to go in and liquidate your whole account. You're only able to lose about 90% of what you put up. So it protects you here. You're still able to trade on leverage, but you're not able to wipe your whole account out as you can trading on leverage on some other leverage trading sites. So let's go to 40x, and you're going to see your stop loss is going to bump up. So it's going to get tighter as far as where you're going to get stopped out at. So we go to 40x. You see now it's at 9,100. So now if the price drops from this 93 to 91, you'll get stopped out and you'll lose that $90 that you put up on the trade. But on a 20x leverage, it's down to 89. So you have a lot more room to play with. The price has to dip a lot more before your $90 will get liquidated. And if the price may come down a little bit, but if it doesn't come down to that 89.17, it just dips down to about there, and then the price begins to go up. You're still in the trade, and then you still have a chance to win a profit of $300 off of your $100 if the price goes up to 10,737. You could actually 3 times your $1,000 off of 20x leverage. Do a 40x. You can make that same amount, but the price does not have to go up as much. It just has to get slightly over $10,000, and you would take that profit. But your stop loss is a lot tighter now. So if it drops down to that $9,100 mark, you're going to get liquidated and you're going to lose that $90. But for fun, let's just put it in on 20x. I'm going to show you how you can actually tweak your trade after you get it in if you want to move your stop losses around. So you would come here. This again, you want to make sure that you're on demo account. You're going to go in for this $100 on just 20x leverage. Let's go ahead and buy, confirm, boom, order submitted. So once you place that contract, you can come here and you can see that you have $100 on margin, 20x leverage, how much Bitcoin is in the trade. See where you opened up at. Your take profit is already at 10,747 now. Your stop loss is at 8.9, and right now there's a $2.85 fee, and that's calculated inside of your trade right there. So right now you're going to always start off in the negative because you have to get above your fee, but it actually gives you a profit and loss percentage, your actual profit and loss once you get above your fee here. So we're down a little bit, but you can actually come in and trade. So we just change your settings here. So let's say, for instance, I don't want to lose $90. I'm like, okay, I want to tighten that stop loss up. I don't want to risk that much. I want to just risk $25 on this trade. So you can tighten your stop loss up so you can see you only can lose 25% of your investment of the $100 here on the trade. But now your stop loss is going to tighten up to that 92.28. So if it's going to get you out of the trade a lot sooner, so you lose less money. And then also you can change your take profit. You like, I don't need to triple up on this trade. I just want to snatch a little bit of profit. I think it's going to go up a little bit. I don't think it's going to hit 10.7. I think it could just get back up to this. You see, I just want to make let's say $100. Just want to double up. So you think it could get up to 98. So you want to take profit at the $100 mark. So that would be 100% profit, but it only has to get up to 9.8 from where it is. So you can stay into. So what's going to happen first? Are you going to get stopped out at 92 first and lose to 25, or is Bitcoin going to bounce down and go up and maybe get close to that $10,000 mark again? You'll take profit once it crosses this 98.12 mark. So that's kind of how it works. So now you can see the settings has changed. I'll take profit at 98.12 and the stop loss will come in at 92.28 on the trade. But you could do the exact same thing if you wanted to sell. So let's say you thought the price was going to go down from here. You thought it was going to drop down to 8,800. You would come and do a sell ticket same way, and it's reverse. Your stop loss is up and your take profit is low. So you can make money on it going down as well. It's just the reverse. So you can do a sell ticket and make money going up and down in the market. So that's kind of how you place some trades on Bityard. Is very simple. I love the fact that it gives it in actual US dollars. You can see exactly what you're going to make, what you're going to lose. So right now I'm down 0.95%. I'm down $1.28 on this $100 here. It says 426 because that's that 139 plus the 285, and that gives you your actual profit here. Your profit and loss here. I like the fact that they have everything in it for you, so you can see your real returns with your fee in there. So that's kind of how it works. You can definitely do some trading here. You can go live on here. That's the demo account. On live trades, it keeps track of your history here, so you can set some trades up. Just deposit a little bit of Bitcoin, and you can exchange it right in here for US dollar tether right inside the exchange, so you can send different assets here. You can see I did a couple short margin trades with just 20% leverage, just messing around on here, and you can see where I opened up at. You can see where I exited at. So everything is was buys. I'm bullish on Bitcoin, not short in Bitcoin right now when we're in an uptrend. So open here, we close here. So didn't go up high, but you can see it was a $13 profit. That's about 26% on the $50. Excuse me, that's about 26% profit on the $50. Had the $1.42 fee, and you can see the actual profit on that trade was $11.65. So I had $50 on the wager on the trade. I had a stop loss in there. I can't remember where I put my stop loss, but it was pretty tight. But I had the stop loss, so I wouldn't have lost the entire $50. I don't remember where I had the stop loss at, but you can see we took profit once we were at 26%. So on a $50 trade, on these different trades, if you look at the percentage gain that you can kind of swipe off if you just not being greedy, knowing what you're doing, you can snatch up some Satoshi, snatch up a few dollars. So again, this isn't your stash. This just may be a small bit of your trading portfolio, so you can learn how to trade on leverage, learn what you're doing at the same time. We're not putting a lot of money on the line, just being smart. So with that being said, man, I think the video then got a little bit long. I hope that was helpful, kind of straightforward on how you can place a trade on Bityard. Very simple to do. If you want to sign up, there's going to be a link in the description below that takes you straight to Bityard, and you can actually go there and begin learning how to start trading some cryptocurrency contracts. I believe it's very user friendly, and just gives the new user a way to get some leverage and get some experience in the game without risking too much or without it being overwhelming. So check it out. Hope that video was helpful. Again, it's your boy Matty Ice, Ice Cold Crypto.
I'm going digital like G-Shock. I'm stacking my dollars up like it's a block. I'm going hard as a rock. Can't save no bitches, I cannot restart. I've been trying my luck, I give it a chance.